what you can't see is under siege, and I only fight because I